What if one glance could change everything? Eye contact isn't just about looking, it's about connecting, creating moments that speak louder than words. But there's a fine line between captivating and awkward. So, how do you use your eyes to leave an unforgettable impression? That's exactly what we're breaking down today. Welcome to stoicspark. If you're ready to master the art of eye contact and impress her effortlessly, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's get into it. 1. Why eye contact matters. First, let's understand why eye contact is so powerful. Studies show that eye contact not only increases feelings of attraction, but also builds trust. When you hold eye contact, it shows confidence, interest, and authenticity. It's a silent way of saying, I see you, and I'm paying attention. But there's more. When done correctly, eye contact can trigger emotional responses and deepen connections. Think about it. Have you ever felt a spark when someone held your gaze just a second longer? That's the magic we're talking about. 2. The right way to make eye contact. All right, now let's get practical. How exactly should you use eye contact to impress her? Here are some crucial tips. Number 1, start with subtlety. Don't stare her down right away. Begin with short, subtle glances. Look into her eyes for a few seconds, then look away. This creates intrigue without making her uncomfortable. Number 2, the 50-70 rule. Aim to maintain eye contact for about 50% of the time while speaking and 70% while listening. This balance makes you appear confident yet respectful. Number 3, soft eyes, not staring eyes. You don't want your gaze to feel intense or intimidating. Keep your eyes relaxed and soft. Think about smiling with your eyes. This creates warmth. Number 4, the triangle technique. Want to add a little flirtation? Use the triangle technique. Look at her left eye, then right eye, then her lips, and back up again. This subtle movement creates a sensual vibe without saying a word. Number 5, match her energy. If she holds your gaze, hold it back. If she looks away, it's okay to break eye contact too. Mirroring her signals shows you're in tune with her comfort level. 3. What to avoid. Now let's talk about what not to do. Even the best intentions can go wrong if you're not careful. Number 1, don't stare without expression. A blank stare is creepy. Pair your gaze with a slight smile or positive facial expression. Number 2, avoid overthinking. Don't stress about timing every glance. Naturalness is key. If you overthink it, you'll come across as awkward. Number 3, blink naturally. Avoid staring so intensely that you forget to blink. Normal, relaxed blinking keeps you approachable. Number 4, don't force it. If she's avoiding eye contact, don't push it. Respect her space. Comfort builds attraction. Reading her signals. Eye contact isn't just about sending signals, it's also about reading hers. Here are some signs she's interested. Number 1, prolonged eye contact. If she holds your gaze longer than usual, it's a positive sign. Number 2, smiling eyes. When her eyes light up or she smiles while looking at you, that's chemistry. Number 3, glancing back. If she looks away and then looks back, she's probably interested. Number 4, dilated pupils. It's subtle, but dilated pupils can indicate attraction. 5, using eye contact in different scenarios. Eye contact can be powerful in different situations. Let's break it down. Number 1, first meetings. Make eye contact within the first few seconds to create an instant connection. Number 2, during conversations. Hold eye contact while she speaks to show you're genuinely listening. Number 3, flirting. Use playful glances paired with a slight smile. This keeps things light and fun. Number 4, in group settings. Catching her eye across the room can create private, intimate moments, even in public. Number 5, on dates. Longer eye contact during pauses in conversation can create romantic tension. 6, practice makes perfect. If eye contact feels uncomfortable at first, that's okay. Here's how to practice. Number 1, mirror practice. Look into your own eyes in the mirror. Practice softening your gaze and adding a slight smile. Number 2, with friends. Practice holding eye contact longer during casual conversations with friends. Number 3, observe and learn. Watch confident people in movies or real life. How do they use their eyes? 7, final thoughts. Eye contact is one of the most subtle yet powerful tools you have to impress her. It's about confidence, presence, and showing genuine interest. Remember, it's not about forcing a connection, but about creating the space for one to grow naturally. So next time you see her, let your eyes do the talking. Who knows? That one look might just be the beginning of something amazing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to master the art of eye contact. Have your own tips? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep it confident and keep it real.